you truly understand Allah's name Al-Jabbar, you would stop thinking that your life is broken. But first, let's see where the name comes from. Al-Jabbar means the restorer, and it comes from the Arabic root words Jabaira, which means to repair something broken, to restore something in its proper state, and in a deeper sense, to fix what was fractured beyond human abilities. And I'm highlighting beyond our human abilities because they're limited. But Allah is not. So Al-Jabbar is not just the powerful one. He's the one who restores broken system, broken states, and broken outcomes. But let's go even deeper to understand the logic behind the name. And we will first look into psychology. Because humans don't just experience failures, they internalize it, which is the real problem. So instead of thinking the offer didn't work when something in your business flops, people internalize this and they start thinking, I am not good at building offers. They don't attach themselves to the outcome that failed. Instead, they build their identity around the failure, which reinforce future failures. This shift is where most people collapse, and that's the real reason why they collapse, because they internalize every failure. And speaking about failures, let's look at systems theory, because system theory suggests that no outcome is permanent while the system is running. That's why I always like saying the only way to fail is when you quit. And if you don't quit, you never fail. You eventually find a way to make it work. So failure is just a feedback loop. It shows you what are the missing variables. It shows you what you can improve to make it work. The same is with scientists. Do you think they discover something on the go? No, they test a lot of variables. Each variable tells them what to do next time, and it tells them what to avoid. That's what failure is all about. It teaches you what not to do in future so you can achieve success. So nothing is truly broken when the system is running. It is just unbalanced, and failure shows you how to balance it next time. But you have to act as a scientist. I always like saying, we are scientists running businesses. We test different things, we see what is working, what is not, and do more of it. But the problem is with neuroscience, which shows us how failure affects us. Because neuroscience shows us when something fails, then the brain does something automatically. It generalizes this event and it turns this into future expectations. So if one piece of content flops, then you start having fear of posting, fear of selling, all because you internalized everything and you feel and think that the same outcome will be next time. But that's not reality, it's just your brain trying to protect you. But in the modern environment, this system harms us more, especially in business. Yes, when you touch a hot stove, this system is protecting you and showing you what not to do. But when you post one piece of content, why would you internalize it and say that you're not good at content? No, it is just a feedback loop showing you how to improve. So your setbacks are not permanent state. That's the one thing I want you to remember from this video. And Al-Jabbar, the name Allah possesses, it is guaranteed that broken states are not your end destination. Allah can repair everything and do the same with your business as long as you put your trust in Him. So the 4-step process I would like to give you that you can implement immediately after the video. First and foremost is to stop turning this failure event into your identity. Never emotionally attach yourself to the failure. It is a feedback learning loop. That's why the second thing is to treat these failures just as recalibration points. Every loss shows you what doesn't work, what to adjust and what to remove. Change your perspective on the failure. And last is to rebuild, but without this emotional dependence. Just do the work, trust Allah with the outcome, and He'll show you the best path. Speaking about path, click the first link in the description, which is a free business Barakah quiz that will show you if your business right now can receive Barakah or it is blocking your risk.